Hello, welcome back. Well, some sadder news today, but certainly worth mentioning to the drone community. A 7-year-old boy was hurt when drones unexpectedly fell from the sky during a holiday show at Lake Eola Park in Orlando, Florida, this past Saturday, December the 21st, 2024. Now, the drones were part of a festival or festive display, flying in sync to form shapes like Santa Claus and some Christmas presents. A few minutes into the show, some drones began to fall out of the sky. Now, this is some of the footage I'll show here. Now, one of the drones struck a boy in the chest, injuring him badly. He was taken to the hospital and required open heart surgery. Yeah, open heart surgery. I didn't see that one coming. Apparently, the family will be spending their Christmas in the ICU. Again, very, very sad news. Now, from some spectator videos that were found online, the event showed drones crashing into the nearby lake and onto the ground near people sitting on blankets and chairs. The incident happened during the first of two shows planned for 15-minute show intervals. And obviously, the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, got involved immediately in investigating the accident. The drone company in charge of the show, called Sky Elements, obviously released a statement saying safety was their top priority and they are working with officials to find out exactly what went wrong. Now, apparently this was the second time that Orlando had used Sky Elements for their drone shows. City officials said the paramedics were nearby and helped the boy very quickly. They shared their concerns for the family and others affected by the event. Now, just to be clear, I wasn't there. I can't really speculate on everything that happened. I do enjoy watching these types of shows myself as the next person, but however, there's no reason that these drones should have landed on anybody attending the show. It looks like some of these drones were directly over the crowd. At times, again, I wasn't there, so I don't know. That's what it looks like from the video. But when you have hundreds or even thousands of drones in the air for these types of shows, I would think the crowd should be watching at a greater distance. Now, again, as much as I'm a drone enthusiast myself, it really looks like a lot of these drones were flying right above the attendees. And let me just say, I did do a quick look at Sky Elements website, and they do operate anywhere from 50 drones for smaller events to thousands, yes, thousands of drones for their larger events. Now, under Sky Elements frequent asked questions section on their website, they have a few questions, things like what's needed for a good flight location for a drone show. The response on there must be safe distance between the drones and the audience, and multiple geofences should be established to prevent drones from straying away from the designated flight zone. Now, not sure what happened here, but it doesn't seem to me that there was a safe distance between the audience and the drones. And let me say, I did try to find out what type of drones the company uses for their light shows, but all they have posted on their site was, and I quote, Sky Element uses custom designed drones specifically engineered for light shows. These drones are equipped with bright LED lights, reliable communication systems, and robust flight hardware to ensure safe and visually stunning performances. So not an out-of-the-box drone. These are definitely, custom builds, as I guess we would expect. I was curious about the actual size and weight, but didn't find that mentioned specifically on the website either. Sky Elements also says they use redundancy in communication systems and backup drones, but again, no specifics on that either. And from me personally, and I'm sure from you as well, I wish the boy a fast and full recovery. And I'll admit, I was a bit shocked to hear that the young man needed open heart surgery due to the drone strike, but again, it emphasizes the risk when flying drones around people. Just wanted to bring the information to your attention in case you weren't aware, give you a little more background or details in case they weren't presented in the regular news coverage. With that being said, I hope everybody does have a happy and safe holiday season. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make any more videos before the holiday season or the new year. So I hope everyone has the best and happiest of holidays. I will see you guys most likely in 2025. Take care.